Balenciagas ain't got nothing on these shoes, okay? Bye, Balenciagas. Girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video today. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if it's not your first time, thank you for coming back. And if this is not your first time and you haven't hit that subscribe button down below, you hit that bell too, okay? So y'all, I know y'all love shoes. Some of y'all love my fashion house, some of y'all love my shoes, but for my folks that love shoes, I got some shoes today. And yes, these are some different shoes, as you can tell by the title. Starting off, these are called MLO, and MLO is basically a minority-owned company, and it's owned by a guy named Clayton. I think his name is Kinamitsu. Maybe I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. But basically, he's partnered up with the 30 under 30, well, someone from the 30 under 30 Forbes list, and also another social media influencer to pretty much help with the COVID-19 and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get into these shoes, and I will tell you guys some more about these shoes when I get into them. The first thing that I am gonna say, let me go ahead and get this out, get the elephant out the room. This is the package that it came in, okay? This is American owned company or whatever, but y'all know we like boxes, okay? I feel like when I'm paying for my tennis shoes, I want my tennis shoes to come in a box. So that is my only like grumble about these shoes so far, but we'll see once I try them on. But I did order the black and white pair. They also had a white pair, white and black pair. They were basically just white with black writing, and I like those as well too. Okay, so when I did purchase these shoes were $79, and I did use a discount code which took off like $15 or something like that. So I think it was only like 60 bucks. And now when I did go on the website, I think they have gone up to like $83. So these shoes kind of remind me of like Balenciagas, and this was the little bag that it does come in. I mean, I like the bag, it's super cute, but I probably would have preferred a box instead of a bag. But I mean, I guess I can put something in here like some, I don't know, underwear or something. I don't know, y'all. But oh, what was that? Okay, hold up. So I don't know what this goes to. Maybe it goes around the top of the shoe, maybe, I'm guessing. But I love these shoes. They remind me of like Balenciagas. Like, I don't know. But I'm gonna post a picture on the side so you guys can see where this thing goes, because I'm not for sure where this goes. But yeah. I love these shoes. The front part looks like this, and then on the side it just says something for 5,400 pounds. I really don't know how to pronounce this, but yes, this is so cute. And it's like a little pull tab, but you can't pull it off of this shoe. And then it's got this chunky bottom at the bottom, and they're made really well. They're definitely made really well. I like them. They have the strings. The strings can come undone. You can't tighten them. They get tighter. But I love these shoes. I think they're so cute. And they're definitely different. I feel like if I'm out somewhere and I had on like all black or something like that, these would definitely stand out. But I think they're amazing. They look kind of small. I did get these in a size 8. But they look kind of small. But I know like the sock shoes normally are a little small. So hopefully they fit, but I'm gonna try them all later to see how they fit and how they feel. But as of right now, just looking at these, they are amazing. Like, I think I want the white and black pair. Like, they were all white, and then this part was black right here. So hopefully they're comfortable, because I'm big on comfort. In the bag, it comes with a card. It says, "Welcome to our family. We would like to thank you for joining." And it's just a $15 off card that comes with it. And then your order is actually in Chinese. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's actually in Chinese. So it was 2 of these that came in the bag. Oh, so you just roll it up like this, and then you clamp it back down like that. It has a little clamp back there, and then you just put it around the shoe like this, and it goes around the shoe, which is so cute. But I probably would have preferred that it be stuck on the shoe because I might lose these. But I think this is cute and very different. So it's like your shoe got a little belt on it, which is different. But yeah, it goes around the top like that. Super cute. Super cute. Yeah, we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna try these on. We're gonna see how they feel, and I'm about to let y'all know how they feel and if they are worth it. So yes, keep watching so you can see my honest opinion on these shoes. Yes, I am standing up on this thing, y'all. I know y'all like, what is she doing? But yes, I do have my feet on top of this stool. But y'all, I love these shoes. They're really comfortable. Like, I can't even explain how comfortable these shoes are. But I did figure out how to put this little belt loop in here. As you can see, there is a loop right here, and it does go in this loop. But yeah, these shoes are so cute. They remind me, like, I don't know, it makes me think they say off-white right here, but I know it doesn't say off-white, but it makes me feel like that's what it says. But yeah, somebody is definitely going to be staring at you if you have these shoes on. And these are women's, but they do have these in men. So yes, these are cute. But these are so cute, y'all. These are the back. They're super chunky. But these shoes are so cute. About these shoes is that when you get ready to take them off, you are gonna have to undo the little belt buckle part, which is not bad. But yeah, as you can see, it does go through this loop right here. So you do have to put it through there like that, and then just tighten it, which is kind of hard for me to show y'all, but you tighten it, and then you take this part on the inside and you just snap it, and then it stays. So yeah, super cute. I love these shoes. I can't wait to get the white ones. And yeah, cop you a pair because I'm gonna hit y'all with the new. And yes, I did see these on what, Instagram and I think Facebook, I'm not for sure, but I know I've seen these on the Instagram and they stood out. So they have different ones, they have different colors. They have these in yellow, they have these in white, they have these in black. So it gives you a lot of different varieties. So I love it. All right. Oh, I got a little hair on it. Yeah. What's his name? Kanamitsu, you doing your thing, okay? Keep doing your thing, all right? I love the fact that my dollars are going towards something useful, and it's going towards this pandemic, and it's going towards racial injustice. And I love these shoes, okay? Not just because of the shoes, but also for the cause. So yeah, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.